Hey there, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. It is June 2022 and it is Pride Month, and I want to share with you two features on LinkedIn that you can enable to show your support of the LGBTQ community. So the first thing I want to show you is at the top of your profile, you may have noticed that we can now put in our preferred gender pronouns. And the way that you access that tool is by going into the desktop version of LinkedIn. You're going to click on the little gray pencil icon that appears in the white space, and that will pull you up to your top header card. At the top, it'll say Edit Intro. You're going to notice that right underneath your first and last name, there's a pronoun dropdown. And here's what I like to tell people. You may want to use this pronoun field if you use a preferred gender or pronoun that's different than what you were assigned at birth. You may use it if there's some ambiguity. Let's say your name is Pat and people aren't sure, are you male or female? You can use it that way. Or you can use it like I do to show your support of the LGBTQ community. And by enabling this on the profile, it helps to normalize it. If more of us are using this feature than the folks that maybe are on the fence about whether or not to use the feature, don't feel like it's so odd to use it because there are a lot more people using it. So that's why I prefer to show that on my profile. So that is feature number 1, which is pronouns. Once you've selected your preferred pronoun, go ahead and click on Save, and you'll notice it'll appear in parentheses right after your name. The next thing I'd like to show you is a feature that LinkedIn has enabled in the header area. And what you want to do is you want to click on that little blue pencil icon at the top of your LinkedIn header. You may not even be aware of this. If you click on Change Photo, you're going to see here that LinkedIn actually has a header image library. And did you know that they will often create images that are aligning with current issues or trending issues or things like that as well? And if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see there are some features in here that are showing LGBTQ community support. So there's Be an Ally, there's different symbols, rainbow symbols, etc., things like that, and they're in it together. So if you wanted to, you could simply choose the background of your choosing. I'm going to choose this one here, the LGBTQ allyship one. I'm going to click on Save, and as soon as I do so, it's going to put that into my profile. You can see here on screen, this is now the background image on my LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to keep that up there for about a week or so in conjunction with this video so you folks can see that I have enabled it on my profile, and it's a great way to show your support of the LGBTQ community as well as to show your support for Pride Month. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please drop a comment below, and if you happen to be watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you and have a great day.